Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt Rush Truck Center here on YouTube. Got a couple of specs. Got about 23 trucks total. Two different specs really. One is a tandem axle truck. See if I can flip that. There we go. Tandem axle truck with a pusher. It's a straight truck, no fifth wheel. Cummins power. For Allison 4500 RDS, and I have tri-drives with a pusher. Again, Cummins power, Cummins 525 1850 torque, Allison 4500 RDS. These were originally ordered in for a hydrovac, and they're double framed 20,000 pound steer axle on both specs. Tri-drive with a pusher. I can add a pusher, I can delete a pusher, and do whatever you want, and I can also make this whatever wheelbase you want. If I slide it forward, it's not that expensive to do that. No rear window, obviously made for a body. New way suspension on the tri-drive. The tandem with a pusher is Peterbilt AirTrack suspension. 46,000 pound rears on the tandem with a 13.2 pusher, 69,000 pound rears on the tri-drive with a 13.2 pusher. Double frame, full length. And like I said, 20,000 pound steer axles. May have already said that. Ouch. Grabbing a black hood is hot. Hot day here in Colorado. Cummins power. They're all here. They're all ready to go. Davco fuel filter. Single stage black for the paint. No metallic in it. Prestige interior. You got the yellow safety grab handles. Here's your pusher axle controls. See if we can. Whoops. Let me see here. Here's the interior. You see no back window. Gray seats. If we can fire one up here. No navigation, just gauges. AM, FM, climate control. There's your shifter for the Allison. They are full lockers, as you can see. Inner axle diff lock, forward and rear. Suspension dump there. PTO ready. So we've got all of that in these. Tilt steering with the smart wheel. So they're excellent specs, but they're set up for bodies. They'd make a good power windows, power locks. They'd be great for dump trucks, roll-offs, vac, any kind of vac truck. They're just excellent trucks. And as you can see, I've got a few. So I just wanted to run these by you. I have full frame layouts on all of them down to the millimeter where everything's at. We can modify them. See if I can show you. I've got some with a little more overhang than the others. Here's a perfect example right here with the tandem with a pusher. You see it's got more overhang than the one we just looked at. So I've got quite a few here. They are ready to go. I won't be hard to deal with, I promise. Yeah, front toe pins on all of them. So I just thought I would share that with you. They do need to go. They're 2024 model years. So they're current model year emissions, so they won't be they'll be a lot cheaper than next year's trucks. Mainly because of the emissions. So, and there aren't any other changes other than that we're hearing from Peterbilt. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you do want to get information on these, just email me at couchk, couchk @rushenterprises.com, or text me at 970-691-3877. I can email you all the info, the full build sheets on each specific VIN number, and a frame layout on each specific VIN number. So with that, I'll let you go, and like I said, we can modify these to do whatever you want. So give me a shout. Thank you for watching.